Friends, today I am going to show you how to make this colorful LED lights. Friends, this I have taken from the LED string lights, and these are the 5 output wires coming from this device. This is the AC input. The 4 wires are connected to the DOBs, and the one is the common one in this. See, here is the common negative, and 4 are the main signal wires. 1, 2, 3, 4. One wire is connected to the signal wire, and the other one is connected to the common one. Likewise, all the 4 are connected to the common and to the signal wire. 4 are the signal wire, the output signal wires. Okay, this is the input for the AC, and the mode can be changed by pressing switch. Here you can see, this is a simple one. You too can make it. All the string lights were connected to the signal wires only, and common was taken from this negative wire. Here you can see now. By changing the mode, you can change the way of the LED blinking.